Assalamualaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal. Today we are going to see mutton liver gravy.
Today I am going to show you mutton liver gravy. So it's a tasty gravy. You can eat with rice and chapatis. Let us go into the video. Clean and wash the liver with turmeric and salt to avoid the meat smell and drain it. We are going to cook it now. In a pressure cooker, add the liver, add required salt and pour 2 cups of water and cook for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, liver is half cooked. Don't use this water. Drain it. Now add the half cooked liver once again in the pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add some salt. Pour 2 cups of water and cook for 4 whistles. Meanwhile, we can prepare the gravy. In a pan, add coconut oil, add dry spices and add 3 sliced onions. Saute well. Now add 3 green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add pandan leaves. Close and cook. For masala, I am going to add 1 star anise, 2 cardamom and small cinnamon stick and 1 clove. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon fennel powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Grind it and our masala is ready. Onions are well sauteed. This time add 2 tomatoes. Add some coriander leaves. Close and cook. Now onions and tomatoes are smashed well. At this time add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder so that you will get a good color. Now you can add the ground masala. Mix well with the onion and tomatoes. Now after 4 whistles, liver is well cooked. Add the liver pieces into the masala. And mix well with the masala. Now add the stock water into the masala. Boil till the oil separates. Liver gravy is ready now. Garnish with coriander leaves. Thank you for watching this recipe. Like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.